just one sparkles and tatlong shells kami nakita ko, iba-iba. So iba-ibang klase. This one is a Triton and cowrie shells. So dalawang magkaibang cowrie shells. And so pasensya na guys, talagang mabasura dito kasi dito naiipon na sa gilid yung mga basura. And look at that. Ayun pa. Ito pa guys. Marami-rami yung balakaw resource dito. Kaya lang, daming basura.